Reducing methane emissions is one of the fastest ways to slow global warming. For over a decade, OGCI member companies have been doing exactly that, at scale. The impact is clear. Since 2017, OGCI companies have reduced their upstream methane intensity by 62%. In 2024, aggregate upstream methane intensity reached 0.12%, well below the 0.2% ambition. And as agreed by CEOs in 2026, OGCI member companies are now aiming for 0.1% collectively. OGCI is scaling its proven approach across the industry through peer-to-peer collaboration built on trust, enabling operators to learn from those who have already done it. This starts with action across the methane reduction chain. Detect, measure, reduce, and scale. Technologies we use, such as satellites, drones, and site sensors, help operators detect methane faster. Accurate measurement enables companies to understand emissions and track progress over time. This approach is already delivering results. OGCI's peer-to-peer-led satellite monitoring campaign has one of the highest response rates in the industry. And this year, OGCI is supporting more OGDC signatories with satellite methane monitoring data and best practice to abate the emissions. Operators then reduce emissions through leak detection and repair, equipment upgrades, and improved operations, sharing tools, knowledge, and partnerships to scale across the industry. Together, OGCI member companies are accelerating methane reductions and driving progress across industry.